What is it? What is it? Oh boy! Get it! Get it! What is it? What is it? Yay! Oh boy! What is this? So
Whoa.
How'd that break?
Yep, yep.
Hey, look
Who
at
likes candy?
You must get caught up on
Who likes?
Hey, what's this, Mom?
Oh boy! Can you get more
What's
candy?
this?
That's what. Water balls.
Where's more candy?
You get soap and you can put it
Yay!
Grandma,
More candy!
in.
Okay. Now, let's get more present. Want to open more present?
No, let's eat candy.
Can we get more present? Can you open it? Oh boy! Can you open?
Hey,
Can you tear it?
Caterpillar.
Can you tear it? More tear. Open. You do.
hey, stop it. Let's
Open.
play this time Super Mario Galaxy.
Sit, can I see it? Can I see it? Give it to me.
Open. Open. What is it? Oh boy! What is it? What is it? Shoes.
There you go.
Oh, those
boy.
are so
Who wants
cute.
it? You want to put them on? You want to wear shoes? Okay. Mommy, can you pick the shoe up?
That's it too. That's you trying to hit his butt.
Ooh, nice.
Perfect.
You never know. I always bring the receipts. So is this Muriel? Mario.
These should work just fine. Because she's got snowshoes. She just needed some,
Boots, friend?
Stylish shoes.
yeah, some stylish ones.
Nice. You see Anya's nice
Cool,
boots,
huh?
kid?
You know,
Is
almost
there
as
more
nice
presents
as
for
yours.
Nice candy. More present? Who wants to do more present? Hey, we need that card. Open. More of it. You love destroying things, so let's destroy
Me
this.
too.
Open.
Wow.
Wow. What is this, Anya?
What's
Ready,
the-
set, open. Wow.
Wow. Awesome.
How cute.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Kia! Not cool.
Sorry.
That's not it. Stop.
That's the reason why I didn't do that.
It got
I can see that.
me.
He's got to pick it all up now.
Ooh, nice clothes.
How
Like this clothes?
cute. Look at that.
Sid, Kia, I want you guys to pick all this up and put them back in the
So
box.
cute.
All of them.
Yeah.
All of them.
Every piece. Every tiny piece.
It was really not a good idea.
Tights.
I know. That's a good boy.
No, no. Actually,
Good.
I want to
Don't we have some
Not the
outfits,
throwing.
don't we? We have
Okay.
outfits.
Let's read this. Happy second birthday to everybody's favorite little wiggle worm, Grandpa and Nana. Thank you guys. Guys, I want you picking this stuff up. Here, Sid.
What? We have to go in the kitchen and have it, honey. I'm sorry. In the kitchen. You want kitchen? Come on.
You want candy in the kitchen?
John, where's our card? The one from yesterday? No, we have a present.
No card.
Come here, come here.
Do it, do it.